it again. You say it again.
Bill.
Keep no
I don't like some.
I love you, boy.
I love you too.
It's you and I.
Baby, it's me and you.
And no matter what they say,
No matter.
I'ma love you every.
Guys, your boy Keema, you don't know so back with another video. Last time Britney pranked me, but she go to her ex. Her ex. Her ex. Yo, me I say, today, I'm gonna do the calling my girlfriend the B word prank. Right now, Britney in the kitchen I cook. I'm gonna say, make her decide if I do that prank or not do it. Cause Britney and them nimble. Britney and real nimble and it sting. The last time we do a challenge, the smack, was it smack and fuck, I believe. And trust me, Britney and like hot. It hot. May I tell her. So you may say don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified that we'll post the next video. At least when me post my next video. Okay, you don't know, so our team all the way. So we'll get at this thing and let's get this thing started. Babe. Babe. Get to me.
Yes,
200% TV.
that was.
Can use me fix it.
That hurt me.
My brown grandma's about this one.
I need dreams.
Yeah?
I need dreams.
You know, I admit it.
Not up to admit.
There's no admit it.
And I have nothing to admit, babe.
Yeah, damn well know some my thing to my best one.
My prank and get the most comments and most likes.
Well, if you make you feel good, no problem.
I'm not afraid.
Huh?
I'm not afraid. Yeah,
Come from back in.
Hmm?
You come from back.
is that my fault?
You scream from my back.
It's not my fault. You drag out my ear and make a big cocoa come in my head.
Stop going to like a bitch, man.
Where now say?
So stop move, so.
What that now say?
Yeah.
that you know say?
No, I know, so babe, I start move, so.
Kim. Kim. You know call me a bitch?
Slip it, babe.
You know call me a bitch, Kim?
Slip it. I don't like someone mean.
Oh, that slip. Oh, that slip out of your mouth.
Yeah, Neville.
Oh, that slip out of your mouth. Oh, that slip out of your mouth, Kim?
Oh, yeah, it looks so.
Leave my head alone. Oh, that slip out of your mouth for call me bitch.
I never literally call a bitch. It just slip out of my mouth.
Slip out of your mouth.
Yeah,
Just slip out of your mouth.
yeah.
Kim, don't make me piss on your face.
Babe, stop going so, cause I don't like someone really mean it. I just things slip out of my mouth and thing.
So, just so you slip out of your mouth for you call me bitch. Just say slip out of your mouth for you call me bitch.
No. Tell look me, son. I don't like someone mean it. Are you a move a certain way that some call a bitch a while ago?
And you say it again, you say it again, you say it again.
Bill,
Keep
I
not
don't like
playing with
someone
me
mean
now.
it, babe. I don't like someone no
And you
call
say
that.
it 2 times too.
I don't like someone call. I
2
don't,
times.
I don't like someone call her that, babe.
Keep not around with me, Kim. Do not call me no bitch. Me's not no bitch, me's a woman.
Babe, I'm a woman, I respect that. You know that.
You respect that, but you call me bitch.
It's not babe, so babe. The Bible says not to be violent to one another.
Mm-hmm. He
That's
tell us,
secret.
he never,
Secret.
did he tell us if we call people woman bitch? Hmm? What is a bitch?
A female dog.
So you call me a female dog.
Babe, me not calling a female dog, babe.
Hmm?
You know that.
You now call me bitch, so obviously you call me a female dog. Yo,
Are you
No.
a going with your little attitude?
which attitude me now go on with?
Your little... That little attitude there.
Which little attitude?
You look like a handicap or like when you go so.
Kim, stop playing with me.
Stop moving on, babe. No, I don't mean it.
You know what I mean?
Bob can get 58 comments on this. Child.
Like you want me murder you in here today now.
53 like, 23 like. How do you ask your own thing get more than mine? I understand that.
It have so much word for call me. You choose to call me bitch. So much word it have for call me. You choose to call me.
They must take the things slip out, stop moving.
Oh, you slip out to your mouth for call me bitch, Kim. Oh,
Just slip things slip out, babe.
oh, it slip out to your mouth.
You slap them back already, so you make up feet.
You do not have no respect for me.
You make up feet.
You do not have no respect for me. Stop playing with me, oh. Me kill you in here.
Suppose you jump on me a while ago.
But I want you can done, blind and done.
Say that you're a blind man. Stop push up your leg.
Don't.
Go face. Stop being so man. Come.
Stop touch me.
You see me I tell you? The same bitchy attitude again. A joke, it's a prank, there's a prank. A prank.
Stop playing with me, oh.
A prank. I move, sir. See the camera there in the clothes right there, sir. The camera there in the clothes right there, sir, look. I move, sir. You crap, man. Yo, guys, this is how this girl is vicious. You crab me again,
You're not fucking here.
Language. Yes, guys, we catch her once again. How you feel? Tell them how you feel.
Kim, take that out of my face, yo.
Tell them how you feel with your mad head. Say Team Kim. Team Kim. What turn?
Oh, yeah, calm me, bitch.
Go do your ear. Baby, no, it's a prank, babe. Come on, stop, babe, son. Me a kiss.
I don't want to kiss Brian.
Jesus. That stink, my mouth stink. Me a kiss, babe.
I do not want to kiss Brian.
My mouth stink, huh? Me a kiss, huh? What pepper on that? Me a kiss. Me a kiss. Me a kiss, huh? My mouth stink.
Stop, boy! Chop!
Okay. Let's not go on, someone. Say Team Kim.
My friend, so.
Yes, guys, all I can see me catch her once again.
Don't move up.
Stop, behave, someone. Come. Behave with Sophie fans. Yeah, tell them say Kim catch her once more again.
My friend, so before me bust the head.
You go with your attitude, sir. The same thing now me I talk about, you know. Yeah, I go on with a little attitude in it, like antiques. Come on, babe. You have a Sophie fans. What you have to say?
Spam up the comment section with Team Brett.
You see me I talk about now? I same thing when I
You
talk
know, give me a
about.
coke in my head.
You know, crab
I
me.
should have him up just a while.
Guys, she play too rough, guys.
My friend, so but me play too rough, but you can't call me bitch.
Babe's a prank, babe.
Me no business.
You see? You come back and look where you're going again. You're going like a little child. And yes, guys, me catch her once again. Team Kim all the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and hit that notification bell.
And spam the comment section with Team Brett.
How would that text?
You see me I text nobody?
How would that? How am so? Oh, yeah, mother. Lucky. Come on, babe. My kiss. So alright, guys, I catch Britney once again, and you don't know a thing of Team Kim all the way. Feel good when I catch it. Channel start feel really good.
If you had a bad day, call Jesus.
Hey, foot just stink.
If they lie in your face, call Jesus. If your broke up with
Alright, guys, so that's the end of that, and we're out.